In this video, we're going to show how to sell your crypto on Binance. It's a straightforward process, but you'll need a Binance account to start. If you haven't signed up for Binance yet, make sure to use our link found in the video description. By doing so, you'll be eligible to receive trading fee rebates worth up to $100 USD. Once you've registered and verified your account, you are ready. At the home screen, choose P2P. If it's missing, select More. Then select Edit to edit the shortcuts and scroll down till you find it. Select the plus sign to add it to the shortcuts. When you are finished, select Done. Now go back to the home screen and select the icon you just added. Then select Sell. Choose the currency you want to sell from the drop-down. Now, just choose one of the sell buttons and choose the amount you want to sell and then confirm it. If your currency isn't available, you can use the swap method first to obtain the supported currency. Go to your home screen and select the Convert option. There are two ways to convert it. You can either choose the current market value, or you can set a specific price at which you wish to convert. Remember to convert it to one of the currencies available for selection in the P2P section. Now we just need to preview the conversion to ensure everything is correct. If it looks okay, then choose to convert it. Now you can return to the home screen and select P2P to sell your currency. That's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below.